It's nighttime. You've had a long day and so has your skin. The night is when the skin does most of its repair and healing, so it's really important that you take good care of your skin while you're sleeping. People think the most important step of any nighttime routine is the face cream, but it's not, it's cleansing. Even if you do nothing else for your face, you want to make sure that you're going to bed with clean skin, whether or not you wear makeup. If you want to get serious about your cleansing routine, start by removing the day's dirt, oil, grime and makeup with a gentle yet effective cleansing oil. I love this one from L'Occitane because in addition to removing every last trace of grime and makeup, it just feels so luxurious on your skin. It features shea butter, which is known for its moisturizing properties. Apply some to dry skin, massage it in for a few seconds, and then wash it off like you would a regular face wash. Once you're done with your cleansing oil, it's time to move on to step 2 of your nighttime skincare routine. Next, you want to use a nice gentle cleanser like Biotique's Berberry Hydrating Cleanser. It's a really lovely creamy cleanser that smells so good. It always makes me feel like I'm ready for bed, and it's really gentle on your skin as well. The key to protecting your skin in the winter is to layer your skincare. So just like you layered your toner under your day cream in the morning, the nights are a great time to use a serum under your night cream. Serums are packed with concentrated hydration and anti-aging properties, and they also work faster and more effectively than regular moisturizers, which makes them a great addition to your nighttime routine. Lakmé has a great one called the Argan Oil Radiance Serum, which really packs a punch when it comes to hydration and also gives you a fantastic glow. Next comes your night cream. When it comes to night creams, you can't do much better than L'Oreal's Revitalift. If you look this up online, you'll see that this product has rave reviews. People all over the world love it. The best thing about this cream, in addition to the fact that it's really hydrating, is that it also features retinol, which is one of the most powerful and most effective anti-wrinkle ingredients out there. That's a pretty extensive nighttime routine, but every once in a while when you feel like your skin needs a little extra pampering, treat yourself to a face mask. I love this one from Forest Essentials because it features actual rose petals and crushed lentils, and every time I use it, it makes my skin glow. If your skin is especially dry this winter, then bring out the big guns and slather it in a body oil. If you're worried about a body oil leaving your skin feeling all greasy and gross, then don't. Because this one by Pure Sense is what you call a dry oil, which means that while it moisturizes like a regular oil would, it doesn't sit on the top of the skin like traditional oils do. It also features macadamia oil, which is great for retaining moisture in the skin. Finally, finish off your winter skincare routine with a great body moisturizer. This one by Dove features coconut oil, which makes it a great option. And this one, the Fuji Green Tea Body Lotion by The Body Shop, is also incredibly moisturizing. But if your skin is the kind that stays dry no matter what you do come winter, then try L'Occitane's Ultra Rich Body Cream, which will turn even the driest, scaliest skin into soft, smooth, supple skin in minutes. So there you have it, everything you need for the softest skin this winter.